Working on the 1981 Camaro Z28. Have a pair of long tube headers. Just got done removing both exhaust manifolds. Gonna need a new spark plug in there as I broke the tip off. But came out pretty easy. The heat shield plates caused a little bit of an issue, but other than that, no big deal. There is a coolant line that goes to the sensor inside the actual car itself, inside the instrument cluster. That will leak some coolant, so I went ahead and just let it drip out and then plugged it back. Next step is the install of the new headers. Those are the old ones there. It's gonna breathe a little bit better. There's the new long tubes from Summit. New gaskets, new bolts. Could not get these long tube headers in there. Gonna have to go from the bottom, get a couple jack stands or a lift, and take off the starter because the passenger side header's hitting the starter. Once that's off, that'll go in easy. On this side, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. It's hitting a bracket down there for the oil filter. I mean, they're gonna have to take the valve cover off. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put this thing in the air. It's cool, huh?
It's electric?
Yeah, it's electric and it lifts the whole car off the ground. Insane. Thank God for Mike, huh? Look at that. Yo, that's crazy.
Wonder if I gotta flip him around.
There we go. Oh, I see them locks. Wow, that's tight. It won't. Expensive then.
They were cheaper before. They're like $1,200 now.
Hi. Mike is a lifesaver. The neighbors are gonna think I'm like a fucking car guru now.
Oh man.
What?
I'm not about to go through all that shit unbolting this fucker and
Oh fuck! I'd say just stop.
come back tomorrow. It's in there.
What do you need? Other bolt? Oh.